in the Squirrel Hunt 2016. And so far the weather's not cooperating. If it ain't blowing hard, being windy, it's been pissing down a little bit of rain. I'm in the ground blind. Deep inside Kentucky woods and scrub. So far, mostly all I've seen is blue jays and them little goldfinch things. I'm gonna give it another hour here and move. It's been nice. I'm over here with my Ruger Elite. And hopefully see us some squirrels. Looks like it's about ready to rain again. Yeah, well, I brought my poncho. Squirrel Hunt 2016. See ya.